Manifold gauge.
Quick coupling set. Digital thermometer. Refrigerant R134A. Connect a blue quick coupling to the blue hose on the manifold gauge. Connect the red quick coupling to the red hose on the manifold gauge. Install the blue quick coupling to the low pressure valve. Install the red quick coupling to the high pressure valve. Make sure the quick coupling connection on the DOT air conditioning system is in good condition and neat. Adjust the opening on the quick coupling from open to close to allow the manifold gauge to measure the pressure in the system. Start the car engine. Adjust the fan speed to maximum speed. Adjust the temperature to the lowest temperature. Make sure air cycle in the cabin only. The manifold gauge shows the low pressure reading DOT and the pressure of the car's air conditioning system. Good outlet air temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. The low pressure and high pressure readings are in a stable state. DOT NAMWE lie, low pressure at 30 psi and high pressure at 180 psi.